Hi everyone, welcome to our Excel class. In this class, we shall be looking at simple interest. Simple interest is an interest that we earn on a placement, which is not compounding. It is usually categorized as part of cash and cash equivalent because the period is shorter, say 90 days. In this example, how do we determine simple interest from a simple placement of funds? So look at it. We have 1,000 that is placed for 5% annual interest for 90 days. So what is the interest value at the end of the tenure? In this case, you can easily use Excel function for this. But before we go about it, so we have to define the parameters. So we have the principal to be 1,000 USD. So we have the rate to be 5%, and we have the days or tenor to be 90 days. Then we have the total number of days in a year. So total days, we have 360 as the case may be. So then to determine the period usually we have to divide equals, we have to divide the tenor divided by total number of days, which is this. Now, and the formula to use is the future value. It's just that the rate will be 0. So this is it. The future value equals the rate that we are using, because this is not compound interest, so it's a simple interest, so the rate will be 0. Then the period, this is the period as divided. Then the payment. Now in this case, the payment will be the 1,000 multiplied by the rate. Now this is our rate. But don't forget that this is simple interest, and we are looking at the present value, and this is principal, so we have to introduce minus. So at the end of the day, we have $12.50 as the interest. Then we have another question. In this question now, we are asked to determine the value that we receive at the end of the tenure. Is equivalent to this. The only difference is that we have the interest and the principal. We are asked to look for the both principal and interest in this case. So for this one now, we use the same formula, which is the future value. And like I said, the rate is 0, then the period is this, then the payment. So say, open bracket, this, multiply by this, and we close the bracket. So this is 12, sorry, this is 12, this is 12. And don't forget the minus. Like I said, we have to introduce the minus to give us this. And because we are talking about the value that we receive at the end of tenure, now this is interest, so we have to include to be the value, both principal and interest. So the principal is 1,000. So at the end of the day, the value that we'll be receiving will be this. Thank you. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel and like the videos and share. Thank you. Bye.